All right, so this is a smart tiny traveler baby car monitor, model BM802BCM. Now, I can't really tell much from the box, but if we open it up, I can explain what this does. So I hope you enjoy the product. Extended warranty information here on the top of the box. Then if you move this out of the way, we get to the first part, which is your monitor. This is the monitor that talks to the camera. So you see, you're able to take this camera and literally strap it on the back of your headrest in your car. Angle it at your little one and run your cable down and plug it into your camera and plug it into your screen. You're then able to see your baby on the screen from the camera. Now this has a little extra mounting clip and stuff. That's the power adapter for everything with a cigarette lighter. Vent clip if you want to use that. Oh, wow, and a much longer video cable there. And then all that's left is, there's your little example. You can kind of see how it would work. And then the user's guide that basically shows you everything I've just said. The monitor, they all plug in together, and you can see your baby through the camera on the screen. That'll do it for this unboxing. Again, special thanks to this company for sending out their baby car monitor. That'll do it for this one. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.